Remarkably, Harvey is back over the water, back over the Gulf of Mexico. Not expected to pick up an intensification, but expected to bring more moisture to the area and make another landfall sometime tonight. And that means for this area more wind and more rain.
What became Hurricane Harvey appeared in mid-August on the coast of Cabo Verde as a disturbance named Invest. Due to the minimal and unexpected accumulation of rainfall between August 24th and September 2nd, Harvey inundated areas far outside official at-risk areas. Houston was very unprepared, resulting in a Dartmouth Flood Observatory (DFO) suggesting that Harvey flooded at least 10,000 square miles in total. This included 400 square miles within the Houston Metroplex specifically.
Some areas prone to flooding, like Greenspoint, Maryland, and southeast Houston, were in devastation, but fortunately most of these areas are covered by the National Flood Insurance Program.
There are potentially 5 main highways used for evacuation of the whole metropolitan area: 45, 69, 290, 10, and 288. This being said, potentially all of these highways have lanes up to 2 or 3, not counting the exit lane. This minimizes the amount of space cars have to drive freely, eventually leading to drivers crashing into each other, resulting in massive traffic jams.
Bottlenecks, breakdowns, and reduced highway capacity is what leads to traffic in these situations. This increased flow of traffic leads to what is called speed instability. One car will slow down because another car is trying to cut it off, which leads to all the cars behind it having to slow down too, which leads to congestion. There's also cars that have been sitting in traffic for hours that eventually run out of gas, and it leads to even more congestion.
Our solutions to these problems are: 1. Increasing the number of lanes on a highway, adding capacity to freeways, decreasing traffic. 2. Contraflow. Contraflow is a method already in use by Houston, which involves every single entrance to the contraflow side of the highway to be closed off, allowing motorists to drive on the opposing lane to evacuate, increasing the amount of cars that can leave the city at once. 3. Temporary signs can direct cars to alternate routes or instruct them to use carpool lanes indiscriminately. A stage or nighttime evacuation can also be used to reduce congestion.